Good morning, dear students. So, I'm back for another episode of Mastike Patshala with you all. So, today I am thinking of sharing a very beautiful book with you all. So, this book is a small book of Zig Ziglar, the book of quotes, the quotations which will help you at different situations, and you will find the PDF of this book in your mailbox. So this is one of the finest reading I have done since long. So I'm taking you all to this journey of Jig Jagler's little book of quotations. So I'll read some quotes which have inspired me, and I'll see to it what helps you. So you can send this book to somebody from writing to and from. And now here is an important quotation from Zig Ziglar, which is at the starting of this PDF, which says, "You can have everything in your life you want if you will just help enough other people get what they want." So there are a lot of people in your life. If you work forward to their success, what they want, you will get what you want in your life. So that's a very powerful quote to start with. So there are around 6 to 8 sections in the book, from ambition to self improvement. So I'll take it topic wise and discuss two or three very special quotes which I have found out here. So let's take from ambition. So, the very powerful quote which I found in Ambition was the second one: the real opportunity for success lies within the person and not in the job. So, most of the time, we feel that the job we are doing will succeed us. So, it is not the job will make you success or the work will make you succeed. It is the success is there within you, it is not outside. And a very fine quote which I really liked is, success is not a destination, it is a journey. So most of the time we do all this mistake that we feel that when we will reach here, then I will be happy. So that success is not on the destination. You'll reach somewhere and you will feel successful. It's not like that. It is a journey. Every day you have to do something which will bring you to your success. So the whole idea for this is that you are in the journey. It is not a destination. There is something like आज अब मैं successful हो गया अब खत्म हो गई कहानी. It's not like that. The most practical, beautiful, and workable philosophy in the world won't work if you won't. अगर आप काम नहीं करोगे तो दुनिया में आपके लिए कुछ भी काम नहीं करेगा. So it is very important for all of us to work. Then discipline yourself to do the things you need to do when you need to do them. And the way they will come when you will be able to do things you want to do when you want them to do them. Very powerful. So next, the basic goal reaching principle is to understand that you go as far as you can see, and when you get there, you'll always be able to see farther. So you go someplace, you reached someplace, and when you have reached someplace, you'll see something else. Then you move again ahead. You are the only one who can use your ability. It is an awesome responsibility. Most of the time, we feel that we don't have any power. But the idea is you have the power. Only you are responsible for utilizing that power. Nobody else will come and teach you anything. So you have the entire book in your mailbox. You can read it the way you want. So let's move forward. I am taking the next chapter, and that is attitude. Your attitude has something to talk about you. So let's move what attitude talks about us. So here it is. Positive thinking won't let you do anything, but it will let you do everything better than negative thinking will. So if your attitude is positive in your life, you will have lot of positive things to do. I like this one a lot. You cannot tailor make the situations in life. Situations will come, situations will go, but you can tailor make the attitudes to fit those situations before they arise. You don't have a control over situations. आपके एग्जाम आएंगे, आपका स्कूल खुलेगा, आप स्कूल जाओगे, आपकी लाइफ में चैलेंजेस आएंगे. सो सिचुएशंस विल कम, वो आपके हिसाब से नहीं आएंगे. Your attitude has to be such a way that it tailors you to tackle the situation. Now, one of the finest thing I have learned in my life is being grateful. So all the attitude we can acquire, surely the attitude of gratitude is the most important and by far the most life changing. So if you have one single attitude of gratitude, your life is settled, because once you are grateful, once you have the gratitude, the Almighty is with you. He is looking at you and he understands that this is somebody who is after me and who is thankful for whatever I'm giving him. Okay, so let's go to another topic, and the topic is encouragement. So, what is there for encouragement? Let's see. Now, this is for your mom and dad, and you can do the reciprocation to your parents. Start your child's day with love and encouragement, and ends the day with the same. So, you also can start your day and your parents' day with love. So, go and hug them in the morning, and you can end the same day with the same attitude of love. You must manage yourself before you can lead someone else. So if you have a small sibling in your house and if you want to manage them, it is important that you manage yourself. पहले आप अपनी आप को मैनेज करोगे, तब जाके आप किसी और को मैनेज कर सकते हो. Take time to be quiet. It is a beautiful quote. I have found it. You know, at times we don't give time to ourselves. We are so much in hurry, we are learning so much that we don't have time to sit and talk to ourselves. Have that time in your life. Schedule that time. बनाओ अपनी जिंदगी में वो समय जब आप अपने आप को शेड्यूल करते हो शांत बैठने के लिए. And when you schedule yourself to be quiet, inner voice will start talking to you. So space yourself for being quiet. For me, being quiet, I am taking that time in the morning, early morning at 4 o'clock, when I am quiet and I am with my meditation with my Almighty. So please follow this ritual in your life, and life will not be the same. Okay, so let's move on to the next topic, and that is guidance. What is for us there in guidance? Let's see. So I'm moving forward. Same gratitude is there. The more you express gratitude for what you have, the more you will have to express gratitude for. So the more you are grateful, God will give you more things to be more grateful. Duty make us do things well, but love makes us do them beautifully. So when you are doing your duty, you are doing things well. But when you are loving your things, you do them beautifully. So love, do what you love doing. There is not a lot you can do about national economy, but there is a lot you can do about your personal economy. So all of you know that this is a tough time we are dealing with. So just take care of your personal economy. The national economy is taken care of. Okay. So let's move on and see what is there. This is a beautiful quote. I've been reading it since very long. Money will buy you a bed, but not a good night's sleep. A house, but not a home, a companion, but not a friend. So, dear all, just make sure and remember always that money is important, but it is not everything. There are things which you can't buy from money. So, let's move on. Our next topic is happiness. I love to be happy. And in fact, everyone has this chance to be happy. The choice is always yours. The chief cause of failure and unhappiness is trading what you want most for what you want now. Be helpful always. When you see a person without a smile, give him your smile. It costs you nothing. You can have your smile again. And then there is hope. You cannot solve a problem until you acknowledge that you have one and accept responsibility for solving it. Okay, so integrity. I have been talking about integrity most of the time. So here I have the integrity and I will cover one from integrity so that I'll complete this topic for you all. And आप सबके पास आपकी online Gmail पे ये book मिलेगी. You can go through and read every point. If people will like you, they will listen to you. But if they trust you, they will do business with you. So this is very important. When a company or an individual compromise one time, whether it is on price or principle, the next compromise is right around the corner. So don't compromise in life. With integrity, this is the last one. With integrity, you have nothing to fear since you have nothing to hide. With integrity, you will do the right thing, so you will have no guilt. With fear and guilt removed, you are free to be your best. So that's finally from my side. Integrity is being whole and complete. Do what you are supposed to be doing at the time when you told for that. So that's the integrity. अगर आपने बोला है मैं 5 बजे होमवर्क करूंगा तो 5 बजे होमवर्क करो. Don't break your word. Keep your word and you will be happy always. So these are few jig juggler quotes which I have covered for you today, and the entire book is there in your mailbox. Do that, and if you like something, you can make the copy of it and put it somewhere in your almirah, or paste it in your table. Man was designed for accomplishment, engineered for success, and endowed with seed of greatness. So I am looking forward to you all being grateful in whatever you do in your life and show your greatness to the entire world. So thank you very much for watching this. Check this out in your mailbox, in your Gmail school accounts, and enjoy this. It's an amazing small book of little book, big book of quotes which has lot to teach us in life. Thank you.